Hi, I'm Sachthemotive. Today I'm going to teach you the difference between your and your. So basically, I see always on these dating apps or whatever, or comments, oh, you don't know the difference between your or your. Well, guess what? Ladies, gentlemen, girl, boy, whatever you are, you won't have that problem again, because we're going to sort that out right now. So basically, the first, your, it means possession. Something that belongs to somebody, okay? Like your name, or a car, or a property. So I'm going to put it into a sentence. Is that your car? Then you say yes. And it's spelled like this. Is that your name? And it's spelled like this. Is that your cat? Then it's spelled like this. Right. Here is where people get confused. But you don't need to be confused, because I have this. Ta-da! So basically, in a sentence, the way you have to remember this now, yeah? You are equals the your with the apostrophe. It equals this. Your. It's as simple as that. So when I say, so all you have to do before you say your or your is this. In your sentence, if it's you are, which is this, it's always going to be your, okay, with the apostrophe. So now, I say, let me give you a sentence. You are 21. That's when you can use you're 21, because it's you are 21. Does that make sense? I hope it does. You are going to holiday. You're going to holiday. You're going, because it's you are going to holiday. See? Easy. You'll never make a mistake again with your and your. Let me give you one last example. You are Sachthemotive. So you don't use the other your. You say you are your Sachthemotive. And that's it. That's a wrap, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that helps you, and I hope you learned something today. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Road to the YouTube play button. Ta-dum. So please subscribe, whether you like me, whether you hate me, whether you just come new to this channel. Subscribe, so we can get that YouTube play button, because I really badly want one. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.